I am unstoppable.
Paggy there and paggy. Shebi that abroad abroad they make mouth. If so it don't burn you well, Abibo guy, Abibo said guy for that matter. If you say you know say it burn you well. For that reason where apart they suffer, they collect money from federal government, they suffer Igbo people for nothing sake for in Anambra State main market. If that abroad they make money say if you are stoppable. If you come Nigeria, if you come Anambra State, anyway see for you say he go stop you by force. He say if you are stoppable, it be God now. Only God person no fit stop. For that woman be he go stop you. Look at yourself. No fit address her papa. They claim say be first one of Soludo. You no fit address her papa. They abroad they make mouth say you be unstoppable. If you come east they go stop you by force. Adaka see you no see her life mumu. See as a black like Fulani people better than you no see how you can Fulani sef. Onya you go nda Hausa you can go sef. Name Zuzu. Unstoppable monkey. Abeg comot for here Joe.